I'm Raesima, and today I'm going to be talking about the stars that I adore and movies that I also adore. I'm talking about Kate Gosselin. I mean, to have 8 kids, she's smart. She doesn't even name those kids. Those kids have numbers. Number 2 over there, number 4, shut the fuck up. Number 3, hold my tampon. I mean, seriously. And then you asked me how somebody gives birth to 8 kids. Well, let me show you how. No, just kidding. Nah, I'm not gonna show you that. But seriously, Kate Gosselin, 8 kids, and I heard she moved to New York, which is great because if they get attacked by another terrorist attack, they will all hide in her uterus, like the whole city inside her uterus. She can handle it. And she looked great on Dancing on the Stars. But I was so nervous. Weren't y'all nervous? I was nervous. I mean, every time they swung her around, I thought 3 more babies would come flying out of her. I mean, seriously, huh? And then I gotta walk down, and some of the movies that I love so much, I mean, I watched them a week ago. I mean, Black Swan, they say she's crazy and it's amazing. And the first scene, her mother gives her 3 slices of grapefruit and an egg. And she says, yum, yum. I say, she's fucking crazy.